Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 12th of April 2021. We are also going to talk about how we have increased our capital more than 20% in this week and how we were able to sustain green on all days, even though Banknifty was volatile. So much more of this information on this video. Let us quickly go ahead, look at the levels and come back to the most important part of the day. And before we proceed, I want to tell you that there is a big invisible wall that is being building up over here. Now, a lot of traders over the YouTube now, of course, like you guys, even I watch YouTube videos so that I can keep a track on, what is happening in the market. And everybody's telling market is bearish, it is going to come down, the rising corona cases. Of course, I agree with them. But the biggest thing that I want to tell you is there is some technical aspect to what they are saying. And that technical aspect is something that I would try to explain it to you. So Bank Nifty has tried to take a lot of support at this region. This region has been the most critical part, for a very long time for us. So we will have to understand and see how Bank Nifty is going to be reacting at this level when it is going to open on Monday. Is it going to gap down? Is it going to be at this level, or what is going to happen? The biggest thing that you need to keep in mind is that we need a price action confirmation. All right. Immediately when the market opens, and if it opens like this, there is a high possibility people will try to cover their shorts and it'll go up, or people will try, to short it more, and it might be confusing altogether. But to avoid all that confusion, you need to understand that this particular area between 32,446 till 32,150 is very, very critical. So there needs to be a consolidation at this zone before it breaks. So if there is a consolidation at this zone and then it takes out this level, then we are going to see huge targets. And the first target that we would see is the one that Nirmala Sitharaman actually made during the budget session. So there is a highly likely a possibility we can correct 1,000 points from the point after there is a particular break here. So 1,000 to 700 points are easily available. So I'm going to let go of the 300 points where it is going to consolidate, and I'm only going to take a very careful and a very precise position, and most likely I would like to carry this overnight for the next day as well and try to square it off on Tuesday. So that would be my plan, for Monday. And if I want to give a bullish confirmation would only be after this particular trend line is broken on the top. But however, even if this is broken, there is no trading zone until this level. So until 33,287, I would not be interested to trade this particular script. Only after once this particular level is taken out, I'm going to go ahead and look for a very decent target over here on the upside. That would be for 600 points. Now you would be wondering, why is he giving us targets which are 600, 300 and 700 points? Because Bank Nifty is making close to 400 to 800 points movements within 15 to 20 minutes. So I think we need to get used to the kind of normalcy that we are in already. So this is the most important level for Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, I would want to say that this particular trend line will act as a very important place that it needs to take a support. So Nifty is already taking a support, like I actually mentioned on the previous video. So until there is this support of this trend line taken out, we are not going to be interested, but only below this particular level we would be interested to take trades, and that would be 14,600, where we can quickly look for 14,400. And if things are looking very good, then we can carry it positional for the next day for a target of 14,250. Now let's quickly come to what's happening here. So we have done a lot of trades. It's not just that we have made a lot of green trades, but we have made red trades as well. We started with a very strict money management technique. We opened our funds on the beginning of Monday at 4,78,000, and we grew it to 6,43,000, and these were the statement credits that we have got. On the 5th we made 30k, on the 6th we made 11, on the 7th we made 12, on the 8th we made 94, and on the 9th we made somewhere around 16. So this was possible, and a lot of our participants on live trading have done the same. So if you want to make similar profits like this, please do join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us. We have actually stopped the waiting period and we have opened the gates for registration for Monday. So as soon as you sign up, you can join our live trading session right from the start at 9:15, and we trade every day without fail and try to get some similar numbers. So our goal is that on the 20th of April, we are planning to ensure that this 4,78,000 is into 2x. So we are looking for that particular target, and I think we are almost close, and we'll try to go ahead and get there. You can also be a part of it, and then we have a huge plan for the month of May that would actually be a particular month that would be similar to what we had seen during Corona times. And the reason of that particular kind of move will be told to you very soon. So please keep a tab on the videos that we have here. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and join our free Telegram channel for our daily market views that is free of cost and for any upcoming offers. With this, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. See you on another fascinating video. Have a lovely weekend. Jai Hind. Goodbye.